Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Sia here. She's Wanna Be Known. Wanna Be Known is the title of this song. I don't want to be known. That's why I'm covering my face. We'll see about that in future anyway. Sia Wanna Be Known is about 4 chords, and we have the best scenario for us when we use a capo here on the 3rd fret. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm aiming for, to play as easy as possible. So we're gonna look at the chords from the capo on 3rd. So that will give us D minor first. That is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We have A sharp. We go for the sus version, also a little bit easier. So you bar the 1st fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below you have to, and then you have to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. We continue with the bars here. The F, you bar all strings still on the 1st fret there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the last chord is the C, but with the E in the bass. So the C, E, incorporate all strings there. So it's open E, then 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So we have this 4 chord through entire song in the same chord progression. We're going to look at the strumming pattern, and we have to divide this into 2 different parts. They are very, very similar, these 2 parts. So, but anyway, part 1 and part 2. Starting with D minor, it's part 1. You're going to play down, up, clap, up, down, up. So first, down, up, then comes the clap, up, down, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. Then you do a short pause, and you come into part 2. This pause is, if you imagine, you take away the first down from the part 1, you continue from there on, and you have a pause instead. So you continue with part 2 there, up, down, up. Instead of down, up, you continue with up, you take away the first down, and just continue in the same way, clap, up, down, up. So the only difference here is you have a pause instead of playing it down, and that is part 2. So part 2 will be for A sharp, and you go up, clap, up, down, up. Then you apply the same principles here for the next 2 chords. F, you play that in the same way as the D minor, down, up, clap, up, down, up, short pause, and then you go to the C, E, and play up, clap, up, down, up. So F, and that's it. So a couple chord progression rounds goes like this. And in standard tempo. Somewhere around the standard. Not sure there anyway. I think you understand. Sia's Wanna Be Known. Very, very easy, guys. So give it a try. If you enjoyed this tutorial and it was helpful for you, please feel free to give me some support here. Subscribe to this channel. I appreciate that a lot, to see this channel and family grow. And also like this tutorial. I also have Wish Wednesdays, where I bring up songs that you wish on Wednesdays. So yeah, feel free to leave a comment if you wish. Perhaps it's your song. So many possibilities here to enjoy music and guitar. So thank you for watching. Until next time, play tuned.